Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy and I'm back for another video. As you can see, we're going to do another unboxing. Yes, another unboxing for you guys. Yay! So this is the third item I purchased from Michael Kors during their Labor Day sale. Without further ado, let's start the unboxing. But before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and for all who already subscribed, thank you. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's do this. Our Michael Kors bag. I haven't been buying Coach bags lately. I don't see anything I like as of now. But for Michael Kors, I've been seeing a lot that I like. I think I ordered some from Macy's. They have a sale, ongoing sale from Macy's, so I ordered. Ooh, look at that! It's in a gift box again. Yes, and that's my receipt inside the box. And this one, ouch. And this one has the ribbon. I like that. I like that. So let's not wait anymore and let's open this. Wow. Wow. Nicely packaged. Ooh. It looks brand new from the factory. Look at that. Oh. It is small. Smaller than I was expecting it to be. I thought it would be a little bigger than this one. But anyway, let's look at it. Let's look at the bag. It looks like brand new from the factory. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Unlike the last one we had is the Soho. It's not brand new from the factory. Ooh. So this is, I can't see. I have to wear my glasses. So this is the Michael Kors Lita in the color Merlot. So this is like a burgundy color, wine color. Let's just keep these glasses on so I can see. So let's remove the packaging. This is nice. I like the color. I like the color of these bags. I like the color wine on bags as well. Same with the luggage. Ooh, this is nice. Wow, I like the opening. This is a good purchase, brand new from the factory. Looking at this bag, this is a smooth leather. So let's close it. Here you go. It comes with a chain top handle strap. This is nice. I know the gold hardware for Michael Kors is a little bright for me. I like that detail. So let's remove the shoulder strap so that we can do a try on this bag. Oh, the shoulder strap is adjustable. It's not the usual push lock. In here and in here. So this is the Michael Kors Lita in the color Merlot. It is small. I wish it would be bigger, but let's look at the front of. Let's do a 360 look at this bag. So this is the front. This is the side. This is the back. It has a slip pocket. Yep, it has a slip pocket. Let's remove that. The inner is leather. So the inner pocket, like inner part of this pocket, is leather. And that's the other side. And this is the bottom. As you can see, there's a chain strap as a top handle. I like that detail. And look at this. It's cute and extra MK. Michael Kors. So this bag is a little discreet, which I like. It's very subtle with this detail here and also here. So when you open this bag, you push it down just like so, and then you open it, and this is the inside of the bag. And it is leather lined. Wow, my battery is about to die. Hopefully we'll finish this video. So this is the inside of the bag, and it's all leather, and it has a front pocket. I like that feature. And it doesn't have a zipper pocket at the back. It doesn't have the zipper pocket at the back. It has a slip pocket here, but it's a little like tight, like stiff leather. And the middle divider is not attached at the bottom, so it moves. Your items might move in there. So the front pocket, let's see. Let's do the phone test. Oh, it doesn't fit. Maybe the case is big, but if I don't have this kind of case, it might fit. But for now, it doesn't fit. So that's it for this bag. Oh, I saw, look at that. There's a Michael Kors MK there. So this has adjustable shoulder strap, and it has 7 adjustments. I like this kind of adjustment for shoulder bags, not like the push button one. And look at it has removable shoulder strap as well. Like it. I like it. This bag is structured. You can see compared to the Hendrix. So Hendrix bag is more soft compared to this one. This one is more stiff and structured. You can't really like squeeze. You can feel it's stiff. Let's do a quick try on this bag. So as a crossbody, I like that. It's cute. It's small enough, but I think it's doable. I can put a lot of stuff in here. So as a shoulder bag, and as a top handle. I think you can put it at the crook of your arm. Oh yes, you can put it at the crook of your arm. It's roomy enough to put it on the crook of your arm if you're not wearing thick jacket. So yes, that's it for our unboxing video for today. This is the Michael Kors Lita in the color Merlot. So that's it for our unboxing video for today. I hope you like our video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.